So you want to use summon, but it just doesn't work. You just can't trust it because it fails and it fails and it fails until you just move on.
To me, this summon feature has, I don't know about regressed, if that's the word for it, but it's not as good as it used to be. And that's actually sad. And today I've got another test of FSD version 14.3.3. And today we're going to take summon for a drive. We're going to try to drive in the front seat. We're going to drive in the passenger seat. We're going to do the rear seat. And as a bonus, I'm going to also have the vehicle come to me. But I'm going to do this in a little bit different environment today. In the past, I've done it in the Jewel-Osco parking lot, and it's not very busy. But tonight, we're at Walmart. So we're going to see how well FSD does. And at any point I feel like it's unsafe, I'm going to stop and disengage from this activity. So just a warning, I recommend that you only do this if you actually feel absolutely safe about it. But I'm going to try it and show you what it's like. And then you be the judge. Is summon any better? Now, the one thing I do know about this version of summon in the .3 release is that they've increased the speed of the vehicle while it's being summoned or while you're doing go to target, and they've raised the rate or the speed limit to, it will go up to 8 miles per hour in the parking lot. So let's go ahead and give this a shot and try it out. So I'm going to bring up my phone and bring up the app. So let's go ahead and do that. So let me just go ahead and pull down and start up this. So, all right. So we are in the app and we're going to go ahead and hit the summon option. And what we're going to do is we're going to take this vehicle somewhere in the parking lot to start. And then we're going to switch seats and try it from another spot and keep on doing that until we complete an entire route. So the first thing I'm going to do here is I'm going to set my target somewhere a little bit more over here and towards the back of the lot. So a couple lanes over and towards the back is where I want to go. So let's go ahead and press it. So the first time I'm going to just be in the driver's seat where it's absolutely safe and try it out. So let's go to target. So first of all, I'm not sure why this happens, but the mirrors just folded. Now, as you can see, there are people walking all around me, and the car is observing, looking for a chance to actually back up. And I'm going to keep my eyes out. I'm going to completely be watching to see that it's safe, 100% safe, and only allow it to continue if it is safe. And so far, everything is pretty darn good. I feel like I don't feel at all uneasy. It made a complete stop there. Now it hit the brakes pretty hard there, and it just disengaged, go to target. So let's go ahead and try it again and see if we can get it to go. Now I don't have any idea why it stopped there, but it's going to do it again. So far, it's not very promising. All right, so let's try go to target. Let's see, cannot use on pub. I'm not on a public, so that's sad. So far, that's sad because I am not on a public. Please ensure your vehicle is in park. All right, so let's try this again from another spot, and let's see how well it does. Now, the first attempt was not that successful. Now, I didn't have this type of trouble when I did this previously in the Jewel-Osco parking lot, but we're going to this is reserved for law enforcement partners. So let's go ahead and just put it in park, and we're going to try to go to our spot again. Go to target. I'm going to back up, get out of this reserved parking for law enforcement parking spot. Now it's backing up. Now, one thing about summon, go to target, or just plain come to me summon is it is not going to cross the parking line spot, or the spots in the parking lot, it is going to have to go around and make complete turns. And one thing you'll notice that is in a parking lot like this, what happens is people often do things that are crazy. So that time we stopped, we're going to go ahead and put it in another parking spot, and we're going to try this again. So this time I'm going to go ahead and park. There is no lines over here, so maybe it could just drive through. I don't know what it can do there, but we're going to go ahead and pull into a parking spot again. Put it in park. And we're going to try it one more time. I'm going to go to a different location. So we're going to see if we can get it to maybe go over a few spots and then pull into the parking lot. Now, at this point, I'm not feeling all that safe, just because it really hasn't done anything successfully. See, like this guy right here, this is totally illegal what he's doing, and it's not really allowed. So, but I am watching him like a hawk. Now, I don't know why the mirrors fold. I wish they wouldn't, but yeah, it is not liking something. So I think 14.3.3 so far, the summon feature or go to target is not working very good. So it thinks that this is a public or high-speed road, and I don't agree with that. So I'm just going to go ahead and manually drive around the block here and see what happens. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to try this again. We're going to move a ways away from these this road here. I don't know what it sees about this. This is not really a road. This is part of the parking lot. And usually it would work in these type of scenarios. So let's just go somewhere over here and let's give it another shot in this parking spot over here. Like, I don't want to use it if it's not going to be 100% safe. So let's just give it another shot here. Let's pull in here. So like if I were going to have this come to me, if it were going to stop like that all the time, it would be useless, because essentially if it can't come to me and I'm at the front of the parking lot by the Wal-Mart, there's no point. I could probably just walk out the car and feel just as good about it. So let's go ahead and bring it, see if we can get it to just even go down. I mean, it's like it, I don't think it can go that far away. So that's another issue that I see. So let's see if we can get it to go maybe here and put it in park again. And so now we're going to say go to target. Again, I don't know why the mirrors are folding. Now this time we should be able to just go right here at the stop sign. It's still technically in the parking lot. I don't know if it thinks that the road that comes through the Wal-Mart is a parking road, or if it thinks it's like a regular road, but it must think it's a regular road because it didn't want to go there. All right, so we're having a little bit more success over here because this is not technically like a public road, I think is what it's doing. And it's going to come all the way down here. And the way this works is it basically will go straight ahead, and it will just basically stop where the target is located at. So it's going to come just past this car. It's going to pull off to the side a little bit, and then it's going to stop. So let's see if we can get it to do one more safe pass before I take it out for a real spin. So let's go ahead and put it right here, maybe over here somewhere, and let's make sure it's in park. Okay, so there we are. Cannot use on public or high-speed roads. There is no public or high-speed roads here. So let's see, will it let us take it? And yeah, it's not really working so great. So I didn't even make it to phase 2, which is to sit in the passenger seat or the rear seat. And I think I've decided that 14.3.3 is not as good as 14.3.2 was. I can't get it to do much in this parking lot. Now, I've seen other people do this, and I think they had better luck, and I don't know why, but maybe they have changed something about this version and decided that they needed to clamp down on parking lot roads, and that's causing some troubles with the car parking. So I'm going to try one more thing. I'm going to park the car and I'm going to summon it to come to me over here by the lawn and garden center. So let's go ahead and get it parked. And we're just going to go ahead and pull in this way. And we're going to just get ourselves into a parking space here. Like I said, I am going to take very little risk in doing this. So we're going to go ahead and park here. And then I'm going to get out. I'm going to walk over somewhere where I can have the car come to me and see how it works in a parking lot, if I can get it to the same spot that I tried to get it while just using Go to Target. So let's do that. Right, so we'll see in a little bit when the car arrives. One thing I've noticed is that the car, the honk seems to be louder. I don't think it was that loud in the past. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to walk down here towards the Walmart, and we're going to just have it come to me. I'm going to go to the come to me option instead, and we're just going to have it come down this path and stop here in front of the Walmart. But I'm going to be somewhere where I can see it and make sure that it's 100% safe. Now, right now, it's doing the same thing. It says that I cannot use this on public roads, which this is not a public road. So it's kind of useless at this point. If I walk a little bit further back towards the car and I stay in the lane, it will let me push the come to me button. I'm not sure. I'm going to go the other way. So going up to the Walmart in the front of the Walmart doesn't work. So we're going to try this. We're going to try this the other direction and see how far I can get away and bring it to me. I just feel like it's not as safe and it's not as good as it was in previous versions. So let's just go ahead and have it come to me. All right, so it's coming. We're going to see if the car will come all the way down here. It's following me, and we're seeing how well it works. And it does seem to work a little bit better. So, and it should stop right here. All right, so I'm pretty close to it. And so to me, this summon feature has, I don't know about regressed, if that's the word for it, but it's not as good as it used to be. And that's actually sad, because it was much better at one point than it is now. And yeah, I'm not impressed with it right now. Maybe someday they'll make summon work better. Maybe they'll add banish. That'd be nice. That's a feature that a lot of people in the Tesla community have been hoping for, but honestly, it's just not that good. So I'm going to end this video here. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please comment, like, and subscribe. Let's hope that FSD summon gets better someday. Right now, I don't think it's very useful, and I'm probably not going to use it until it gets better. I'll keep testing it with new versions and see how it goes and if it gets any better. And if you are looking to buy a Tesla, you can go to qcteslaguy.com and you can click on the referral button at the top of the page, and that can give you 3 free months of full self-driving when you purchase or lease a brand new Tesla. And if you haven't seen my previous video about The version that I just got, 2026.14.6.6, which combines with the 14.3.3 FSD and the spring release. Watch this video here. And until next time, use technology to drive safe so that you can live life.